Find the value of x where x is greater than 0 by writing the following in index notation. So what we do is, for the first one, log to the base x 49 is 2. Now this can be written as, so for part A, log to the base x 49 is 2, and this can be written as x square in index form equals 49, and therefore x square is equal to 7 square. And since the powers are same, we equate the bases and we get x equals 7. So from here we get x equals 7, and then for the second one, the B, we have been given log to the base x 8 is 3, so we can say that x cube is 8 or x cube is 2 cube, so x is 2 once more, equating the bases, so we get x is 2, and then for the C part, we get been given log to the base x is 100,000 is 5, so therefore x to the power 5 is 100,000, and we can write it as 10 to the power 5. There are 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5, so definitely that's 10 to the power 5. So therefore again x equals 10. So that's the answer. Then for D, we follow a similar method, and we have x to the power 5. We write it down, log to the base x 3125 equals 5. So we can write this as log, we can write it as that actually. We can also write it as log to the base x. This is 5 to the power 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125, times 5 is 625. 625 times 5, if I do 5, 2, 10 into 12, 2, 1, 31. Yes, so that is indeed 5 to the power 5. So then x to the power 5 equals 5 to the power 5. So once more we can say x is 5. So then we have log to the base x 3 is half. So is half. So this we have to have a little bit of a different way, because x to the power half equals 3. Now you can't do the square root of 3. I mean, so what this would mean is you have to now square both sides. So if you have to say squaring both sides, what we'd get is x to the equals 3 square, or x equals 9. So here x equals 9. For the next one, that is the part F, what we have is x to the power or log to the base x7 is 1 out of 3. So you have x to the power 1 out of 3 equals 7. And if you cube both sides, you would get x equals, not x cube, x equals 7 cube, and that is 7 times 7 is 49 times 7 is 343. So we get x is 343, and then I think you can do the rest of them. It's quite simple. So you have log to the base x2 is 1 out of 5, or x to the power 1 out of 5 is 2, or now we take both fifth power, so it's x to the power 1 out of 5. The power 5 is 2 to the power 5, or x equals 32. So we write x equals 32. And the last one, we do x to the power 1 out of 4, or you write again log to the power x 9 is 1 out of 4, so x to the power 1 out of 4 is 9. So if you do x to the power 1 out of 4 to the power 4 equals 9 to the power 4, so then x would be equal to 9 to the power 4, and 9 to the power 4 is 9 times 9 is 81 multiplied by 81, and that is 6561. So we get x is 6561, and that's all done.